beginning, he wanted to do everything for his name. The way he dressed, the way he carried upon himself, it is all for his own vain glory. Even the famous, on the May 20th, 1521, the Battle of Pamplona, when the army general told him that we are just outnumbered against the French, he said, we will fight till the end for his vain glory. And we know the history. Every year we have been repeating, and during that battle, a cannonball shatters his both legs, and in and through the cannonball shatters his entire dream of living a life of vain glory. And then we have a period of discernment in his life when he was put in the hospital at St. Lucy, where his bone was already set, and he found one leg shorter than the other. And he said, I cannot be a soldier with one crooked leg. And he allows himself to go for another few surgeries to set his leg straight. But all the surgeries become unsuccessful. Till the end, he is to limp. And that was a time of a discernment in his life.